Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about aligned technology, and if you look at the long term chart you can see how beautiful the technology stock has been aligned. And if you just check my previous videos on any technology or internet or AI, any sort of company which is directly indirectly related to technology has been saying last couple of months that this is the time for technology and we are now going to become technology dependent. This is like Y2K moment rewind. Okay, and there is a simple reason behind that, that after the event happened in this particular calendar year of 2020, we are now become more tech dependent, where we are going to maintain spaces and all those things, and because of that we have become more technology driven society, and which makes things more efficient. Okay, let's understand in this simple way without having much logic. You can find a number of logics, so you can choose your logics as per your suitability. So that's what you can do, but my job is to analyze this trend. So here you have, now understand this trend first. Okay, because what you have here right now is a big breakout. So 411 was your big resistance which the stock has made in the year 2018. So now it has, the stock has made a breakout above 411, and now it is sustaining over that, above that level. So now it's a big breakout and it's a start of a fresh trend. Okay, so let us discuss about the current trend, and then we are going to move forward and look at the overall trend. And as far as the current trend is concerned, you have your first support at 411, then you have 479, 179, beg your pardon. Okay, so there are four support levels. First you have 411, because the stock has made a breakout. After that you have 321, then you have 179, then you have 130. These are your four important support levels or major support levels which are still intact. Okay, it does not mean that a stock made a breakout, we are going to forget about the levels, because in any adverse scenario one should know where your big support level lies, so that if want to make an exit, if want to enter, they should know their levels and they should know a better risk reward or entry point. Okay, so just understand this thing first, then we are going to discuss about that. So if you look at this trend, this is what has happened and this is how your current trend looks like. Now we are going to discuss about the long term trend, because this breakout is very important and this will have a very positive influence on the overall trend. So let's discuss about that. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the all notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now, having said that, here you have, so analyze the trend with the available price movements. Do not try to over forecast the trend. Okay, without doing unnecessary things. So let me just remove these lines. Okay, you can just uh, go back a bit and check out this support and resistance line. So you have your trend like this. Okay, a line like this, and also a line like this. So now this is your big support level. Okay, let's be clear on that. And now as far as the resistance or level is concerned, here you have. Okay, you have your big resistance level. Okay, so here you have further, you have your big trend like this. So now you can see how the trend looks like, how the big trend looks like. Okay, so as we have a breakout above 411, now what we are going to look at, first of all, you have your first target or range of a range which will be in between 593 and 853. Above that, you have a target which will be between 844 and 1351. Now you need to hold a bit because these two, the probability of these two range are decent compared to the probability of this final or the big target or resistance range which will be between 1700 and 2800. Okay, so now understand this trend because the stock has made a breakout. This is a line. If the stock falls below 411, obviously I've already told you the support levels, but your big support levels will come at 160. Okay, so understand this. Now because the stock is above 411, the first sort of target or resistance which will be in between 593 and 853. This is the first thing. After that you have your next set of target or resistance in between 844 and 1351. Okay, now once one line crosses, then you need to analyze the trend and market action. Same with the second line as well. So if this line crosses, stock crosses this line and makes a breakout above this line, then only you will have a probability of this line. For the time being, you don't have any probability. So this is out of the focus. This range in between 1700 and 2800 is out of the focus for the time being. Only the part which will be in between 593 and 1351, these two range are in the focus. So once the stock crosses one resistance, then another resistance, then only this will come into the picture. So that's the way you need to understand the trend and decide whether you are comfortable once the stock crosses one level then another level. If you are comfortable, then only go ahead. So this is the way to look at it, and for that you need not to think over and over again. You just need to look at the market actions or the overall trend. That's very basic news. You will get it uh, through the news. You need not to over extrapolate that, and simply what you can do is make a stop loss, strict stop loss, below which you will just exit with your positions. Okay, just exit beyond a level. Do not take extra risk and save your profits. That's the way to do. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.